Outdoor cooking reaches new flavor heights with premium grills designed for performance, durability, and perfect barbecue results today. Best outdoor grill brands deliver reliable heat control, innovative features, long-lasting build quality for backyard chefs seeking consistent, delicious cooking experiences. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart GGG306 Grill. The Cuisinart GGG306 grill is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want powerful grilling performance in a compact and portable design. One of its biggest advantages is the quick setup process, allowing users to start grilling in less than 10 minutes without the need for tools. Equipped with 2 stainless steel burners producing a combined 20,000 BTUs of heat, this grill offers impressive cooking power for a tabletop model. Independent burner controls make it easy to create different heat zones for cooking multiple foods simultaneously. The stainless steel cooking grates distribute heat evenly, helping achieve consistent results, whether grilling steaks, burgers, seafood, or vegetables. Weighing only 22 pounds, the grill is easy to transport and features folding legs, a locking lid, and a carry handle for added convenience. The integrated thermometer and adjustable burner controls provide precise temperature management throughout the cooking process. For campers, tailgaters, and backyard grillers seeking portability without sacrificing performance, the Cuisinart GGG306 grill delivers dependable results and excellent overall value. Number 2. Ninja FlexFlame Grill. The Ninja FlexFlame Grill stands out as a highly versatile outdoor cooking system designed for users who want more than a traditional grill. Its 5-in-1 functionality allows grilling, smoking, roasting, griddling, and even pizza making with optional accessories, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking styles. One of its most appealing features is the Pro Connect system, which lets users monitor and adjust cooking temperatures directly from a smartphone through the Ninja Pro Connect app. The grill's digital temperature controls offer precision from 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, removing much of the guesswork from outdoor cooking. High-velocity convection technology circulates heat and smoke evenly around food, helping create crisp exteriors and juicy interiors. It also functions as a true barbecue smoker, producing authentic smoke flavor, bark, and smoke rings with a relatively small amount of pellets. Fast preheating and powerful propane performance further enhance its appeal. For cooks seeking smart technology, versatility, and premium cooking performance, the Ninja FlexFlame Grill is an impressive option. Number 3. Weber Spirit Grill. The Weber Spirit Grill continues Weber's reputation for producing durable and high-performing outdoor cooking equipment. Designed for grilling enthusiasts who value consistency and reliability, this model features boost burners that provide significantly more power in the main searing zone, making it easier to achieve restaurant-quality grill marks and flavorful crusts on meats. Heat distribution across the cooking surface is remarkably even, helping eliminate hot and cold spots that can affect cooking results. The porcelain enameled cast iron grates retain heat exceptionally well and are built to withstand years of regular use. The Snapjet ignition system simplifies startup, allowing each burner to ignite quickly with a simple press and turn of the control knob. Additional convenience comes from the WeberWorks side rail system, which supports optional accessories that help organize tools and cooking essentials. The cast aluminum cook box resists rust, peeling, and weather damage, contributing to long-term durability. Overall, the Weber Spirit Grill is a dependable investment for anyone seeking premium grilling performance and lasting quality. Number 4. Captiva Enameled Grill. The Captiva Enameled Grill offers exceptional versatility by combining a traditional gas grill and a flat-top griddle into one outdoor cooking station. This dual-purpose design makes it easy to prepare a variety of foods simultaneously, from steaks and burgers to vegetables, seafood, pancakes, and more. With an impressive total cooking area of 696 square inches, it provides ample space for family gatherings, parties, and larger outdoor events.
The independently controlled grill and griddle sections allow users to customize cooking temperatures based on different meal requirements. Powered by high-performance stainless steel burners delivering 54,000 BTUs, the grill provides strong and consistent heat distribution across the cooking surface. The enameled fire chamber adds durability while offering enhanced resistance to corrosion and high temperatures. Cleanup is also simplified thanks to the thoughtfully designed grease management system, which directs grease and excess oil into dedicated collection containers. Combining versatility, cooking capacity, and durability, the Captiva Enameled Grill is a practical solution for outdoor cooks who enjoy preparing diverse meals.
Number 5. The George Patio Grill. The George Patio Grill is a practical and convenient solution for those who want the flavor and experience of grilling without dealing with propane, charcoal, or open flames. Its fully electric design makes it especially suitable for apartments, condos, and locations where traditional grills may not be permitted. The durable, non-stick cooking surface helps reduce the need for oils and butter while making cleanup significantly easier after meals. One of the standout features is the removable stand, allowing the grill to transition easily from an outdoor patio setup to an indoor countertop appliance. Adjustable temperature controls with 5 heat settings provide flexibility for cooking a variety of foods, including steaks, fish, vegetables, fruit, and even desserts. The grill heats consistently and offers a user-friendly cooking experience for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Since there are no flare-ups or fuel tanks to manage, operation remains simple and hassle-free. For anyone seeking a compact, low-maintenance grilling option, the George Patio Grill delivers reliable performance and everyday convenience.